All right, let's do this example here. Now notice that this is in general form, right? So notice there's a subtraction. We've got y squared, x squared. So let's put it in the standard form for a hyperbola. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to divide everything by 144 because remember this difference has to be equal to 1, right? So let's just divide everything by 144, okay? And they want us to graph it and identify the important aspects of it. So we'll go through those. So here we go. So now here's the thing is in this case here it's relatively easy because 144 is divisible by 9 and 144 is also divisible by 16. Okay, so this actually, let's see, yeah, so it's actually 9 times 16 is 144, right? So 9 times 10 is 90, 9 times 6 is 54, so it gives you 144, okay? So now, we know that 16 and 9 are both factors of 144, so this will become y squared over 9 minus x squared over 16 equals 1. Now notice a couple things here. Now you see that the x has the negative coefficient, right? So it's after the subtraction, which means this is going to traverse the y-axis, okay? It's also centered at the origin, okay? And so that means this is A and this is B, right? So these never change. This is always A squared and B squared. So A squared equals 9. B squared equals 16, which then tells us that A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. Okay, now, what do we need to know? Well, we need to know where the vertices are, right? So the vertices are located with the A. The A is going to tell us the vertices. Notice the vertices are along the y-axis, right? A is below the y. So that means the vertices are going to be along the y-axis a distance from the center. Now where's the center? 0, 0, right? It's in that form, okay? So now it's going to be what? It's going to be 0, 3 is one vertex. And their other vertex is 0, 3, okay? And then, we're going to draw the box. We need to know B, right? So B is 4. So now let's draw the box. So let's start to graph this thing, right? So Okay, so 0, 3, 0, negative 3. So 0, 3, and negative 3, that's going to be here and here. Those are the two vertices. Now B is 4. That's going to tell us where the box is located. So the box is going to be here. So there's 4, right? So that's going to be along the x-axis. So we're going to go here, here, all the way to here, and then we're going to go, we're going to go to here, to 4. Hold on, I messed that up. And then we're going to go to here. So there's our box, right? So the asymptotes are going to go through the corners of those boxes, right? So in this case here, it's going to go from there and there. Now, again, because of the negative sign being with the x, it's going to traverse the y-axis, right? Okay, so it's going to go through the vertex, right? And it's going to go like this. And like that. Okay, now, what other, so the center is going to be the origin, 0, 0. The vertices we found, 0, 3, and 0, negative 3. What about the foci? Well, the foci, we got to find c, so remember, b squared equals c squared minus a squared. So that means c squared equals b squared plus a squared. Again, which is going to be what? 16 plus 9, which equals 25. And then so c is going to equal 5, right? Square root of 25 is 5, so c is 5. That means the foci are located where? 0, comma 5 and 0, comma negative 5. Okay? So up here and down there. And, the equations of the asymptotes. Again, now this, because it's going this way, it's going to be y equals what? A over bx, and y equals negative a over bx. So now, well, what's a? A is 3 and b is 4, so it's going to be 3/4. 3/4 is the slope for one. Negative 3/4 is the slope of the other one. And you can see this by looking at the box, right? So 3/4, right? So up 3 over 4, right through the origin. Up 3 over 4, okay? Negative 3/4, down 3 over 4. Down 3 over 4. So it works out. All right. Have a great day.